What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Santa Clarita. Hopefully you guys are hitting up the regular Nike outlets because they got 30% off. I'm 99% sure they don't have anything here, but let's go look it up. All right, let's go see what's going on here. Don't have time to hit too many factory stores up, but yeah, hopefully tomorrow. Let's go. Dang, big old line here. Actually, a lot of people. Wow. All right, let's go. Hopefully I can find something. Starting off in the size 10.5 and 10 section. Hopefully I can find something. Which Air Force Ones are these? Air Force One Premium. Damn, these are going for $120. Oh, okay. What are these? Some golf. Air Max 90 Golfs coming up. Some interesting colorways. Okay, these are actually a bargain. What, $70? That's not bad. They got this colorway here as well. This kind of reminds me of the Toy Story character. What's that fool's name? Dang, I'm blinking out. The Space Ranger's name. Yeah, but $60 for that one. That's even cheaper. Buzz Lightyear. That's that fool's name, man. I was thinking about it for a minute. Air Max 2090 go for $70. This is in the wrong section right here. We got Jordan 12 Golf, go for $100. More Air Max 90 Golf right here. These are size 11. These are bright as hell. God dang, these are bright. Man, those go for $70. Sitting on the ground right here. Look at these. What are these called? The Speed Turfs? Is that what these are called? Oh, the Vapor Edge Speeds. $25. $25. Man, that's definitely a steal. Definitely a steal. If I can find a size 11, I'm gonna try to get one of these for someone I know. They did do a restock. I just saw someone with a cart walking around. They got the Suna Slide 2s. So going for $25. Yeah, those are normal like $60, I'm like. Did move over to size 10s. Jordan 37s. Going for $80 right there. These are Metcons. Interesting looking Metcons. $60 Metcon 8s. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures, $70 for these. Hirachi's going for $60. Got Kukunis, Air Kukunis going for $60. All right, moved over to the size 9 and 9.5. So I'm looking for some specific shoes for basketball in the size 9s. Not usually the best, usually the best move here because it's kind of hard to find specific shoes, but. Since I'm already here, I guess I'll try. Dunk High Premiums. Have I seen these before? These got some nice leather on them. Is this, damn, is this like a collab or something? This is like, damn, Jordan 1 high OG type of leather on them. Is that a suede? Yeah, it feels like a suede. These are fire. I don't know about that price though, $110 now? Wow, these are size 9. Air Max 95. These are down to 80. All right, moving on to the size 9.5. Still got these Jordans. These are going for $80. I've seen these in plenty of sizes. LeBron 19 lows. Down to what, 70? Wait, I messed out on these Jordan 1 mids. These are the craft right here. These are going for $110. Okay. Kind of like the inside out look. That's weird. Is that like discoloring right there or something? That's really weird. I don't know how well it's shown up on the camera, but that looks off. Something looks off about those. Air Max 1 Premiums going for a premium price. Isn't the retail like $140 on these? Or maybe it's $150 because it's the premium. I don't know. But yeah, $130 now. Okay, that's interesting. Zoom Freak 4 is going for $60. LeBron 9 lows down to $100. Air Max 97 all white down to $80. Seems like stuff higher in demand, like the Dunks and Air Force Ones. They're being priced a little bit higher, like especially the Air Max 1s, and then the less demanding stuff like the Air Max 95s, Air Max 97s. Those are being priced a little bit lower. That's interesting. In the size 11s now, they must have a ton of these. The Air Max 90 Golf, like I literally see a bunch, especially in different sizes as well. $80. More of these. So we got more of these. Also got these tennis shoes that are inspired by the Jordan 3s. The Zoom Vapor Air Jordan 3s. $150 though. 11 and a half Ducat. Some LeBron 2s. So yeah, I'm telling you, it's all about demand because these are fire, but the demand's not too high. There are empty spaces, but they're bringing stuff out right now in carts. Haven't seen anything super dope though. Jordan 37. This is the Tatum colorway too. Look at that. Go for 100. This one's definitely different. Does have the gum bottom on it. Atom knit up top. $100. Size 12 now. Air Flight or Zoom Flight 95s go for $80. Fly Ease. Ooh, I've been looking for these, especially in a size 12. These are the ones that are kind of made for the disabled or people who have difficulty putting on shoes. So, yeah, man, I'm gonna grab these. I'm gonna grab these for somebody I know who needs these. And they're all white. Nice. Do got plenty of blazers, pretty much in every size. This is $40, Danger. That's a canvas pair. All right, size 11, 12, 13 look very, very, very similar. I'm gonna move all the way up to the 14, 15s, and we're gonna check out apparel. Size 14 with the Vaporfly Next Percent, go for $100. Another color right here, same 100. Blazer cords, go for 35. The huge boots right here, go for 100. Oh no, they're going for 80, my bad, 80. Zoom GT jumps, go for $80. Jordan 1 Low Golf right here. Oh, okay, that's a size 15. That's pretty dope. They got a couple of those. And then 18 and above, they got all these. Pegasus 38, size 15, go for 60. Size 15 Jordan Camo right here, go for $100. And then for bigger sizes, they got some dope stuff right here. Mid, Jordan 1 Mid, Knicks colorway, 60. These go for 150. Even got these bad boys right here, $100. And Jordan 6s. These are all size 17s and stuff. $160 for those. Do got PSG t-shirts, 50 down to $15. Dang, I think there's a small. I see a double XL right there. I think all the good sizes are gone. I think the resellers might have grabbed all the good sizes. Yeah, just double XLs and smalls. Do got soccer goalie gloves right here. Y'all need random stuff. $30. I know they normally go for way more. Got a couple of them. Got football gloves. Youth football gloves right here. $15 for those. Are all the adult ones gone? Now those are for batting cages, batting gloves. $20 for those. I swear this is the most packed I've ever seen this place. Doesn't look like there's that many people, but this place is usually empty. There's actually a lot of people here today. Haven't seen it like that in a while. And people are still camping. I'm really surprised. I just didn't think there'd be any profit. Like, I didn't really even see anything to buy for myself, let alone resell. I don't know. Maybe if you stay here long enough, they will have stuff. I don't know. No, but Jordan vest, $115. Who's paying $115 for a Jordan vest? Down to $40. Dang, dude, people pay that much for vests? That's insane. Got another one right here. These are down to $30. Nike sweatshirt. This is a medium tall. Medium tall down to $30. This is super thick. Super thick. Wow, these are nice. Quadruple XL tall, go for $30. Thermafit, $55 down to $20 right there. SC Trojans with a camo. $20 for these, normally $52. These are all larges right there. So the recycled material, the Crater, they usually throw that on all the Crater stuff. But yeah, $120 down to $40 for that pullover. Summer is upon us. They do have a ton of shorts. 3 different racks of shorts. And what's this material? Like terry cloth material. If they had other colors, I probably would get them just because they're interesting. But I can't do white like that. Double XL, $65 down to $25. These basketball shorts, same price, $25 down from $65. These are really thick. They are shorter. That's what everybody seems to like nowadays. Another one right here. I think this is a small though. It's an extra small, the small, $25 down for 65. That is interesting. They're short too though. God damn, look at how short it is. Covers half your thighs. What the hell? Got running shorts right here. Not finding too many interesting things, to be really honest. All right, apparently I already got this colorway for this person, so I guess I'll throw these back. Dang it. All right, man. Not really finding much. They got WNBA jerseys going for 15 bucks. I don't even know who the teams are. The Liberty in Seattle, 15 bucks. Okay. All right, let's go next door. I'm gonna go next door. I already know nothing's gonna be there, but it's worth a shot. Worth a shot. Next door, they do have a Ross. I'm 99% sure they won't have anything because I'm sure all the resellers started early this morning since so many regular factory stores, so many outlets have sales. It's worth a shot. Let's go. Let's go. And kind of the same as all my other visits. Like I said before, I don't have time to go out early because I have a job, I have a family. I don't do this full time. So yeah, I definitely don't see no jerseys or anything like that. Another one of these soccer jersey, Guadalajara soccer jersey. It's 25 bucks for this XL. The shorts, pretty much the same. By same meaning, not a damn thing. Not a damn thing. With these low budget shorts, that's about it. All right, now time for the sneaker section. Dude got some golf cleats. These are way too small for $7.5. 20 bucks. Okay. Oh, these aren't golf. These are baseball. What am I talking about, dude? Some Converse going for 40 bucks. Got a few of those. We've been seeing that at a lot of spots. More Converse right here. Going for $40. Dude got some terry cloth. Oh, that's just in the back. Never mind. Dude got some Fila's here going for 20 bucks. Reebok Classics going for 30. Got a couple of them. Gun bottom. Dude got some. These size 10. Dude got these are the ones that I wanted. But these are size 10. I already tried the Jerry Stackhouse size 10s. Dude got more of these. Dude got more Kyries. The Kyrie Infinities. These are size 12. These don't even. Why do these look so tiny? Yeah, these are size 12. More of these. These aren't big enough though. Size 8.5. Are these sprinting? I don't know. These are for sprinting. I know that. $35 for these. These are size 10. These do not look like size 10s. These look tight as hell, dang it. Yeah, I guess so. These are 10.5. I think these are a 10.5. Yeah. Oh, dang. The laces are all jacked. I got red on them, but you know what? I'm gonna grab these. These are for me. I know these aren't the most hyped items, but yeah, I've already said. Yeah, I grabbed these. Yeah, I grabbed these way back when, so I'm gonna grab them. Talked about these Stackhouse. These were my first dope sneakers ever. So yeah, these are 10.5 right here. What are they lending? $55. I swear Ross has increased their price. We got a size 10.5 and an 11 here. So I got numerous. They do have a ton of those. And then also got these as well. Size 17 Witness. God dang, those are huge. A couple more of those Mashburns up top. Dang, I guess I was wrong. I guess they do have stuff here, huh? So you got Speed Turf. But I think these are for skill position players. Like I know a kid who wears size 11 who wears football cleats, but I think these are for speed positions. Like he's a lineman. I don't know if these will work for him. I did send the homie a message regarding that. High school kid I know. And then got another pair of these. These are huge. These are huge. Dude got some, what are these? Fly traps. Fly trap size 14 go for 56. Prices are insane, dude. More of these shacks. The prices are insane here now, man. And these are going for 60. This is size 18. Good luck getting rid of that, you guys. Dang, dude. Got some RSX right here. These are smaller size 8. Down to $30. Pretty clean. Got a couple of them. All right, I'm going to pay for this. Pay for this and get the hell out of here, dude. I am looking for backpacks for my kiddo for next school year. Don't see any here. They have a bunch of Jordan backpacks. I don't know if I want to give him one because he doesn't really care like that about sneakers and stuff. They do got these, 15 bucks for these. The little drawstring bags. They have Jordan ones, a couple different colors. And they have like Puma ones and Adidas ones as well. Oh, they got an elephant print one too. 15 bucks. Normally 20, so a few dollars off. Yeah, I feel like you guys can get rid of them for cheaper, dang dude. I know this isn't super exciting, and I know most people wouldn't get these, but hey, it is what it is, man. Grabbing them, only $30. I don't have any other Fila gear though, but we'll figure it out. I swear, whenever I buy anything here, I end up getting random size. Look at this, $4 for this big old box. I love these, man. These, man, I grew up on those. I don't know about apricot though. They do have blueberry right there. They still got these panda things. Those are delicious. Oh, they got strawberry ones right here. These are fire, dude. Oh, I'm gonna grab one. They got all the snacks right here. I said I'm not gonna get any of this junk, but this stuff is so delicious. So delicious. They got this here that is hilarious. This is like the spiciest stuff. Is this one? Oh, this one has cheese in it? Oh, because usually they come in black and they're hella spicy. Dang, dude. $6? Isn't that retail price for that? They got Jelly Belly flavored soda? Never even heard of this. What the hell? Juicy Bear and it's sparkling water. Very cherry. Okay. All right. Had some surprise finds at Ross. Let's go check out the Marshalls, dude. Why not? Damn, it's packed over here too. Look at the line. Ross wasn't that bad. Look at the line here. Oh my goodness. I ain't seen nobody talk about Mitchell and S with Marshalls lately, and I see why, because not even closed, man, nothing. And at this spot, they don't really have any what's called athletic section, but they don't really have a section for athletic gear. But I've gone through every section here, and the guys, I don't see nothing. All right, that place thought was pretty janky. All right, let's check out the sneakers. I think it's gonna be the same, but it's worth checking. Worth checking. They did change everything to no box tops here. Okay. Just see these chucks. You can see a price though. What's up? Those are going for 30 right there. Got a few different sizes. How dare they? How dare they? Got some RSX right here, size 8. Those are down to 40. Size 11. They got some Sauconys. I don't really know Sauconys like that. 50 bucks for these though. Okay. Size 11. Got some more Sauconys. These don't look that dope though. I was like, what brand is this? And they got some New Balance right here. Those are down to 40. Oh, they do have one more section right here. This is the Big Feet Gang size, 13 and up. Like I said, 12 and up. Got some Manoa leathers. This actually don't find. That's down to $40. That's actually cheaper than what I've seen at the Nike outlets and even the clearance store. That's not bad. Got some Sauconys right here. Some old school Sauconys. Price for these bad boys right here. Down to 50 bucks. That's a women's shoe right there. I thought those were some 1080s, but they are not. Got some Puma suedes. Like a turquoise-ish color. Go for $24. Some New Balance I ain't seen before. Down to 35. These are the New Balance I saw earlier. I thought they were 1080s, but they are not. Tons of fresh foam on them. These are down to what, 60? Alright, I think that's about it, man. Went to a ton of stores today. Was able to grab something. Alright, I think we're done. We're out.